This video is good through Sunday, June 27th, 2010. Welcome to the weekend edition here at freetradingvideos.com. A very special announcement at the end of this video, so pay special attention. Right here we're looking at the technical analysis, and for the week the markets take a big drop. We had dojied out by days, and on Friday with the doji, those give us indecision candlesticks. Indecision candlesticks at the low of legs or at the high of legs can signal a reversal taking place only if you get a higher high. The higher high that we'd be looking at would be on Monday or Tuesday, and if we were to get a higher high, especially a close over a higher high, that could be a reversal taking place and you should get an up leg. In that case, we would be having a higher swing low. A higher swing low would be a confirmation of a reversal pattern, a trend reversal pattern going in the opposite direction. Right now we have a higher swing high, and at this time I'm able to draw yet another trend line. Go from swing high right there to the, and we have a higher swing high. We're working on a higher swing low, but it's not confirmed yet. But anyway, this week was pretty brutal. And here we have the MACD coming down, but you can see the histogram on Friday, just a very small little tick. Looks like we're getting a crossover, and if so, that would roll back up, and if we could get above the zero line of the MACD, that could be pretty promising for an up leg here. But that's only if the weekly can behave itself. This is the S&P on the weekly. Now check this out. We come up here, everything's happy-go-lucky. We crash down from support. Boom. We come up. We tried to hit that resistance area. We didn't even get up to the resistance area. Last week on the weekend edition, I said the weekly was our bullish one, and that failed. We came right up. We tagged the 20-week moving average. We came right back down. Boom! Big crash to the downside. So tell me what type of reversal pattern this is on a weekly chart. There it is. And check this out. We have a close lower than the 50-week moving average. So the 20 acting as resistance, and what should have been acting as support was pierced for the week. Down here on the MACD, we have a negative tick. That's a crossover, and we're having a crossover to the negative side so low below the zero line. Not good. But let's see what the monthly has to say. Monthly right here is still hanging out. Kind of a break even. You know, we came up, made our highs come down, make our lows, and we just end up with kind of a spinning top type formation, kind of a tweezers bottom equal, but we're finding support at the 200-month moving average. And so there's a lot of indecision here on the monthly. It doesn't tell us a whole lot. But I'd like to also look at the Nasdaq while we're here. Nasdaq, we had this falling wedge. We break out the falling wedge. We do this little pullback. And let me show you something on this. I'm going to pull in the Fibonacci retracement. We'll put us about right there to here. All right. So look at this. We come up, 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 break resistance. We come up. We got our pullback. This bull pullback with the doji on a daily Nasdaq chart looks pretty bullish here. Look where we find our support, right at the 1.8 mark or the 0.618 mark, depending on how you read the Fibonacci's. But that's a big time support area. But we need to get up over the 200 and the 20-day moving averages, so we really need to pop up here and getting above some of these areas. I'd like to see us get above 2250. A close above 2250 would be pretty bullish, and I'd like to see some follow-through taking place there. I like what's happening on the MACD. We're still sub-zero, but it looks like we're wanting to get a crossover. So let's see what the weekly says. And the weekly, sure enough, we drop down, 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 finding a lot of support here at 20-week moving average. We pop up. We're trying to go bullish, but we come slamming ourselves right back down into this consolidation area. A lot of indecision taking place, but we do have a negative tick here on the MACD and a crossover to the bearish side so low below zero. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Here's the monthly. And the monthly down, 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 up, 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 boom. We come down a little tweezer type position. We have a spinning top candlestick. Month's not over yet, but we have a 50-month moving average acting as support. The question is will that be support? Will we rally higher, or will this down leg continue southbound, bleeding out the next few months? We're at a real crucial point in time in the markets, and watching these technicals, all time frames, daily, weekly, and monthly, is hugely important. So as a trading mentor, I'm telling you that you have to trade on all different time frames. Don't trade what you think is going to happen. Trade what is in fact taking place and happening. For me, on the daily charts, I'll just tell you this. When we came up here and we had the reversal pattern, we started coming down. I was unloading all my longs that I had picked up from down here, started unloading them. And then I had my hedges. I kept my hedges on, so my hedges were making me money. I was net to the short side, making money. Then I lightened up. At this moment, I'm still a little more to the bear side until I get this confirmation. If I get the confirmation, I will load up on longs for a leg here to pop up. So, and again, here's the S&P. Look at this, finding nice support at the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. So things are poised to go bullish, but it doesn't mean they're going to. Markets are pretty iffy out there. Matter of fact, the VIX right now remains below 30. And you know, but it's above that 20, it's above that 25 mark, so we'll just have to see how things play themselves out. All right, here it is. I'm going to throw a bunch at you here. Listen up. We have a brand new website we're getting ready to unleash. It is uber cool. You will not believe the cool stuff. We're looking for beta users. The only way you can be a beta user of our brand new website is if you are a registered user. You have to be a registered user of freetradingvideos.com. Go to the current site, freetradingvideos.com. Go in and register, and once you register, anybody that registers on our website will get a private invitation to become a beta tester, and if you accept, you will receive the information you need to get into our brand new website and be the first ones to see it, first ones to partake of a huge amount of trading education that's in there, and that'll be great. Now here's the other thing. We're looking for traders that are interested in becoming people who will do videos on a daily basis like we do. We're looking for two camps. If you are the real deal, I mean that walks the walk, not just talks the talk, you've been trading for a long time, you're well educated in the world of trading, especially in the areas of currency and options, I would like to talk with you. I want you to send me a private email to my email address at d7dsEven@freetradingvideos.com, and I want to hear from you. Now, there's another level here. If you don't claim to be God's gift to trading, but you're an enthusiast and you love to trade and you want to do daily videos and you would like to have a spot here at Free Trading Videos and you'd like to do daily videos and be part of us, I want to hear from you. Now listen, both analysts and associate prospects need to be here in the United States because we do have an agreement, and that agreement only holds up here in the United States. So anybody that's from the United States that has that interest, I would like to hear from you. Now let me go one step further. I'm also looking for interns. There's a lot of college students out there that are in the world of finance and business looking for interns. This is a non-paid position. It is somebody that wants to plug in and be part of the team to help out, and you need those credits throughout the summer, or you need that experience. I'd like to talk to you also. So D7DSEVEN at freetradingvideos.com. Take care and safe trading to each and every one of you.